Hello, it's Josh from Server.pro here, and today we've got some exciting news. As you've probably already figured out from the title, we're currently looking to hire knowledgeable and enthusiastic individuals for a part-time VPS support specialist vacancy, which is for candidates aged 18 and above. As a member of our support team working remotely, you'll be answering customer questions and assisting them with any problems that they might have. This includes, but isn't limited to, technical questions and pre-sales inquiries, as well as offering general advice. The ideal candidate will have prior experience working within a Linux environment, including in the deployment and configuration of various services, and will ideally also be fluent in the creation and troubleshooting of various game servers, including Minecraft and Terraria. Most importantly, you must have excellent communication skills and will be able to articulate yourself well in a written form and will be willing to go the extra mile for our customers. On top of that, you must be time flexible, have a positive attitude, and continually be looking to learn new skills and improve your existing ones. Our support team is the backbone of the company, and you must be willing to do everything you can to uphold our reputation. You can find out more by visiting the link in the description. Please make sure to read it thoroughly, as it contains lots of important information that you will need when applying. If you're interested, please send an email containing a cover letter and CV to victor@server.pro. Thank you for watching, and good luck!